In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PNG image to a JPG, or vice versa, with just a few clicks. First, let's look at the fastest way. Right-click on your PNG image, go down to Quick Actions, and select Convert Image. If you don't see the Convert Image option here, click on Customize, and make sure the Convert Image extension is actually checked. Alright, once the Convert Image window pops up, look at the format line and set it to JPG. You can adjust the image size if you want, or just keep the actual size. Then, go ahead and click Convert to JPG. And just like that, a new JPG file is created right in the same folder as your original PNG. Now, if the Quick Actions menu isn't showing up for some reason, here is another way. Open your PNG image using the Preview app. Then, go up to the top menu, click on File, and choose Export. Choose where you want to save it. Then, next to Format, simply select JPG. Finally, click Save. And there you have it. You've got your converted JPG image. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.